Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. Myself Professor Sampath Kumar Swai, working as Professor at Department of Tourism Management at Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh. Today, we will be discussing on a very relevant topic, that is future tourism and hospitality scenario, global and Indian. After completing this module, the students will be able to understand the current tourism scenario of tourism, analyze the Indian and global tourism trends, respond to the dynamic nature of the tourism and hospitality industry constructively, plan for the growth of future tourism and hospitality industry, innovate new tourism products and services as per the changing trends. Introduction. We cannot make wise choices if we don't understand current world trends and their likely consequences for ourselves and the options we have for achieving our goals. Edward Cornish, editor, Futurist magazine, tourism and hospitality industry are the two sectors that don't remain static, go through dynamic changes. Tourists, due to their demographic nature, have different types of expectations and want them to be fulfilled, that ultimately leads to satisfaction. Satisfaction level changes from individual to individual. Therefore, it is the requirement of the suppliers to bring creative tourism products. It is evident from the literature that the purpose of travel has been changing since the Roman times. Though tourism has been undertaken based on the tourist products supplied, time has changed that now demand determines the supply. The producers of tourism products and services make research on the preferences of the tourist and bring out products accordingly. The society has been undergoing changes from time to time, and it determines the trend as the economy and the lifestyle of the tourist. It plays a strong role as the impact of dynamism on the tourism and hospitality sector determines the policies to be framed. The extra leisure time and high disposable income of the tourist is perceived by the tourism and hospitality suppliers as an opportunity for owning the future of tourism is determined as per the preferences of the tourist and the competitive products available with the suppliers. Therefore, it is important to know the future of tourism scenario globally as well as of India to respond to the needs of the tourist. Worldwide tourism scenario. The current worldwide tourism hospitality scenario, the direct contribution to the GDP is US dollar 2,229.8 billion in the year 2015 with a growth rate of 3.0% compared to the previous year. In 2016, the same has achieved a growth of 3.3% in 2016. The total contribution to GDP worldwide has been recorded as US dollar 7,170.3 billion in the year 2015, experiencing a growth rate of 9.8% than the previous year, and by the year 2016, the growth rate achieved was 3.5%. The direct contribution of tourism to employment is found to be US dollar 1,07,833 billion, having an increase of 3.6%, and the same has increased to a rate of 1.9% in 2016. The total contribution of tourism to employment is recorded as 2,83,578 US billion, achieving a growth rate of 9.5% in 2015, and the growth rate of 2.2% in 2016. The visitor exports is found to be US dollar 1,308.9 billion in 2015, achieving a growth rate of 6.1%, and the same was 3.0% in 2016. The domestic spending of tourists is recorded as US dollar 3.412 billion in 2015, making a growth rate of 4.7%, and the same was increased to be 3.3% in 2016. The leisure spending on tourism is found to be US dollar 3,621, witnessing 2.3% increase in 2015, and the same was 3.0% in the year 2016. The business spending was found to be US dollar 1106.9 billion in the year 2015, having a growth rate of 0.7%. And in 2016, the growth rate was 3.9%. The capital investment of tourism is recorded as US dollar 774.6 billion in the year 2015, making a growth of 4.3%, and the same was 4.7 in the year 2016. Thus, from the table it is summarized that growth of tourism and hospitality has been witnessing significant growth during the last 2 years. Table 2 below displays the worldwide forecast for the year 2016. According to the World Travel and Tourism Council, the direct contribution to GDP is expected to grow by US billion 3,469.1 at a total growth rate of 3.4%, and total contribution to GDP is predicted to be $10,986.5 US billion at a growth rate of 10.8%. The direct contribution to employment is expected as $1,35,884 US billion at a total growth rate of 4.0%. And the contribution to employment is forecast as $3,70,204 US billion at a total growth rate of 11.0%. The visitor export is forecast as $2,056.0 US billion at a total growth rate of 6.2%, and the domestic spending is predicted to be $5,245 US in billion at a total growth rate of 5 to 2%. Similarly, the leisure spending is expected to be US $5,645.8 billion at the total growth rate of 2.6%, while the business spending is predicted to be US $1,658 billion at a growth rate of 0.8%. The capital investment is forecast to be US $1,254.2 billion at the total growth rate of 4.7% by 2026. Thus, from the table, it is evident that tourism and hospitality growth will be found to be significant in another 10 years. Indian tourism scenario. India is the 7th largest tourism economy in terms of contribution to the total GDP as per the WTTC. In the year 2016, travel and tourism has generated Indian rupees 14.1 trillion US dollar 208.9 billion. In India, based on India's absolute size, it is the 7th largest, and the sum is equivalent to 9.6% contribution to the GDP. The tourism and hospitality sector has generated 40.3 million jobs in 2016. It is ranked second in terms of total employment of the whole world and extends to 9.3% of the total jobs in India. Among the G20 countries' travel and tourism sector, India is the fastest growing country, showing an increase as 8.5% in 2016. The forecast for 2017 is found to be 6.7% growth. Domestic travel is found to be 88% in the year 2016, which occupies the major part. The visitor exports accounts to 12% alone with respect to the foreign travelers spending in 2016, summed up to Indian rupees 1.5 trillion or US $22.8 billion. The total exports of the tourism is 5.4%, while the global average is recorded as 6.6%. According to the data published by UNWTO, World Tourism Organization, India has received only 9 million international arrivals in 2016, ranked in the 40th place in the world tourist arrival. It is just 1/10 of the arrivals of France, in spite of India's immense potential. Future tourism and hospitality trends. The variables that will experience dynamic change in the future: demographic shift, health consciousness, awareness about destinations, growing technology, transportation, sustainability, safety and security issues, leisure time, unique travel experience, lifestyle changes, demographic shift. Demographics play a vital role in the future trend of the tourism and the hospitality scenario. The old-age people will keep increasing due to the conscious lifestyle they follow. Their health will improve and their life expectancy will also increase. They will have a high disposable income, more leisure time, as they will be retired from their jobs. It means that more and more people get converted for tourists who wish to undergo frequent travel. They will have a variety of destinations around the globe which draw their interest of visit. The elderly people would prefer quality, security, comfort, experience, relaxation and entertainment facilities. Many of them would travel with their grandchildren, and convenience would be of paramount importance. Their travel might be inclined to health, medical tourism. Long haul travel with short breaks will be witnessed more among all age groups. The number of persons in each household will decrease, leading to higher disposable income. Therefore, there will be more power of spending. Every weekend will be utilized for a trip to a distant place by the young aged people. Health consciousness. Health consciousness will be more in the future, and demand for health products will be the choice of the tourist. Tourists will be interested to visit destinations of health importance, and the destinations considered to be of less health importance will completely lose their reputation and will be avoided from visiting. Tourists will be involved in health activities, and wellness products like spas and fitness centers will be demanded more. Awareness about destinations. The education level of the people will keep on increasing, resulting in awareness about destinations. The search of knowledge on history, art and culture will be their major aim. Holiday making will be their ultimate goal while gaining knowledge. During their vacation, self-organized tours will be conducted during their vacation. Therefore, suppliers of the tourism products will include the elements like history, art and culture through their package tours. New destinations in Western Hemisphere as well as Eastern Hemisphere will be identified by the tourist and the suppliers. Growing technology information. Technology is the current trend that is prevailing in all the areas, and tourism and hospitality industry experiences very strong thrust through it. In future, all the information would be acquired through computer and internet. Tourism and hospitality products will be purchased only through internet in future. A virtual view of the attractions, culture and heritage will be the trend. Times will come when the importance of intermediaries will disappear and people will be able to purchase the travel related services directly from the suppliers through the internet. This will lead to the introduction of more search engines which enables the tourist to get competitive information on the services available. The service providers will market their products directly to the tourists through the internet. Reservations would be made online through the respective websites of the tourism and hospitality service providers. Transportation, tourists spend their time on transportation is however not fixed. Some may choose to assign a greater percentage of the time to transit by trading up the time spent at that ultimate destination region. Some may choose to minimize travel time and maximize the time spent at final destination. The choice of different transport mode and their affordability can result less consumption of travel time. The tourist on longer motoring trips will definitely spend relatively more time touring, but they will spend relatively less time at the destination. Travelers with limited time will have a tendency to transit directly to final destination and enjoying the less amount on act of traveling. Due to the increased life expectancy and increase in population, there will be more traffic on roads. More short routes will be made accessible, and therefore comfortable travel would be made possible around the globe. There will be increase in number of high-speed trains, cruises, low-cost carriers. High-speed trains will be utilized even for the shortest routes, and every person would prefer to travel in them. The number of people owning cars will increase, leading to high road traffic congestion. Weekend trips will be the trend in future due to owning of cars. Cruises will be available at affordable rate, making it possible for the reach of all income groups, especially the budget class people. Environmental sustainability. The importance of environment will be realized by everybody as a result of increasing awareness on environment sustainability. Destination management would be given prominent place in policy planning. Participation of people in policy making would become inevitable. Responsibility of environment would be shouldered on the community people more compared to the other stakeholders. Sustainability will not be confined only to environment but also with the culture, heritage and socio-economic well-being. Clear demarcation will be made between sustainable tourism and ecotourism, stressing on the conservation of the resources for the future. Safety and security issues. Safety and security issues will be the matter of concern in future. It is now issues like terrorism, racism, regional wars, kidnapping for ransom and poor quality of water have become frequently occurring in specific destinations to which tourists avoid to visit. For example, Kashmir is one of the destinations at the national level which is found unsafe, and Pakistan at the global level. More destinations would become unsafe to visit in future because of increased number of violence against tourists. More amounts would be spent for bringing safety measuring in the destinations. If the safety and security measures undertaken are imperative due to its poor quality, it will lead to criticism and sometimes even to litigations. Leisure time. The availability of leisure time varies among the countries around the world. Flexible pattern of working is found in some places and in some others it is very rigid, preventing holiday making in the latter and motivating holiday making in the former. Undertaking long haul travel would become less and short haul travel will become more as it will be the trend. The concept of paid holidays is slowly changing, and in future leisure time would be available, making a check on the disposable income. There is possibility of no work, no pay concept and imposing limit on the disposable income. The situation would become a severe blow to holiday making. Therefore, tourists would prefer low cost products and services, more short trips and need for more leisure time. Both the tourist and the service providers will be badly affected as tourists would not find leisure time for travel or have more disposable income to undertake any travel. Unique travel experience. Tourists will prefer destinations matching their profiles and motives for memorable experiences. This pertains to the quality of the tourism products and services. Destinations that are not capable of giving unique experiences and not meeting the expected standards of the tourist will lose their importance. The relationship between price and quality will be emphasized. The more the price of a product, more will be the expected quality. The destinations satisfying the expectations of the tourist will become frequently visited destinations, retaining loyal customers. Destinations that do not have fidelity will lose its potentially customers. Destinations that offer totality of experiences will be preferred and demand for proper management of the destinations. Lifestyle changes. Lifestyle of the people has been transforming gradually throughout the globe, bringing more behavioral changes. The global village concept has brought cultural exchange across destinations. The developing countries like India, Mauritius, Maldives, etc. are becoming westernized, contributing to the lifestyle changes. The eating and dressing habits are slowly undergoing transformation. Products like bed and breakfast would be considered to be very cheap, and items that, unlike now, more independent travel will be preferred compared to escorted tours. There will be a shift with respect to status of the tourist behavior due to the personalization, and they would prefer accommodation units of smaller size like tourist farms. The trend will be completely changed. That will simply holidays will be undertaken aiming from current big sophisticated hotels to caravans and tents. Coping with shift in tourist behavior, suppliers will bring new products and services that bring added value. They will turn towards the hobbies of the tourist and make relevant products as per their interest. R.C. Nialt, professor of tourism of University of Michigan, has put forward future trends that can be expected in the near future by 2020. He visualizes that customization of the tourism product would be the watchword. Travel agency involvement in the conduct of tours will get reduced, and the travelers would prefer to have customized trendy tours that match their needs and wants. The service providers like hotels, airlines will increase in functioning, introducing products and understanding the needs of their customers. They bring in possibilities for the mingling of the tourists and the local people. For example, hotels will be housing gym facilities that can be utilized both by the tourists and the locals. The social media will play a vital role in improving the traveler's experience. Tourists would share their experiences through social media, which would enable the tourists to decide on their places of visit and their travel behavior. Technology will be utilized to create more unique tourism models, services and attractions both by tourists and the local people, enabling perfect marketing of tourism and hospitality products. The travelers of the future will look for genuine experience and expect an output of their vacation. The future of tourism would be experience oriented, and they would prefer to live with the vacation, not to see destination. They will wish to have the mentality of the local people in the new destination of visit. Famous places like wonders of the world, Venice, Barcelona will be overcrowded, and therefore the tourist flow will be restricted by the destination countries, keeping a check on the sustainability of the destination for the future. Summary: travel and tourism has been the lifestyle of the people globally due to the swift growth in transport and communication. Over the years, there has been significant increase in the tourism flows and the spending pattern of the tourist. Beyond domestic tourism, international tourism has become a prestigious issue, and tourist behavior is increasing across the borders. The reasons like increased disposable income, more leisure time, faster means of transport, more dissemination of information, role of social media, more paid holidays will be faster tremendous tourism growth in the future. The competition among the tourism suppliers will be significant. They will bring in new attractive products and ensure reachability of the clients through vigorous marketing activities. These competitors will join their hands together and work for mutual benefits, ensuring healthy growth amidst competition. The future of tourism also lies with firms that can use the two-way channels of communication to generate and create customer-based relationship. This way of communication will reach across a whole range of travel and leisure services. Products such as the use of loyalty cards, issuing of credit cards, frequent flyer programs and air miles schemes. Simultaneously, there will be severe impact due to the shortage of resources, climate change, terrorism and many others, which will bring in significant challenge to the growth of tourism. Dear students, all these factors that determine the growth of the tourism in the future would clarify many of our doubts, and you must have understood the consequences and influences of all those factors for the growth and development of tourism in the future. I must thank for patient listening of my presentation, and I thank you all.